Welcome to our off-grid echo camp in the heart of the Florida Wildlife Corridor. Today we're diving into the game-changing EG4 hybrid 12,000 BTU mini split from Signature Solar. This hybrid unit is keeping our camper cool during the day and cozy at night, all powered by the sun. Let's explore its features, installation, and how it performs in a completely off-grid setup. Here's why the EG4 hybrid mini split is extremely versatile for both on and off the grid. This unit runs on both DC solar power and AC backup. We're testing it in full off-grid mode with 4 360-watt solar panels directly wired to the unit for daytime power. At night, our camp solar generator kicks in, a 300 amp-hour battery bank with a 4,000-watt inverter. For installation in a home, simply plug it into a standard 120-volt outlet for backup power. As a heat pump, it cools, heats, dehumidifies, and circulates the air. Perfect for Florida's March weather. Warm days needing AC, and chilly mornings calling for heat. Furthermore, with a SEER 2 rating of 22, this unit is ENERGY STAR certified. It uses less than 400 watts of AC power in standard mode, but in hybrid mode with solar input, that drops to just 60 watts during the day. That's massive savings for off-grid setups. The unit is paired with a convenient app, allowing you to use your smartphone to turn the device on and off, access all system functions, and even track solar input and energy usage by the device. Finally, the plug-and-cool system makes installation a breeze. No special tools needed. We'll show you how we did it. Let's start with the unboxing. The EG4 hybrid mini split comes with everything you need, including a wall mount template, LCD remote, drip line, manual and connectors, the indoor head unit, electrical cables, the outdoor unit, and pre-charged 16-foot refrigerant lines. For the indoor unit, we secured the mounting plate and drilled a hole using the template. We fed the power cable, signal cable, and refrigerant lines through the wall, then mounted the unit. Our second lesson was the hole placement was slightly off, so we removed the plastic protection ring to make the unit fit flush. The plug-and-cool system made it DIY friendly, no special tools needed. For the outdoor unit, we used Signature Solar's mounting bracket to secure the mini split to the camper. We connected the power cable and signal cable as instructed in the manual. A pro tip, the ground wires from each of these cables need to be attached to separate ground lugs for the unit to operate properly. We then ran and connected the plug-and-cool pre-charged refrigerant lines. No vacuum pump needed, the quick connect valves made it DIY friendly. The Signature Solar installation YouTube video was extremely helpful for the entire installation.
Valve cover so that we can open up the refrigerant to let it start to flow.
To keep things tidy, we covered the piping and wires with a hide-align kit from Ductless Air. Our hybrid setup has 2 solar components, one for direct solar DC input and one from our solar power generator. To power the mini split off-grid, we connected 4 360-watt solar panels directly to the unit. Here's a key lesson learned. These panels must be wired in series, meaning the positive terminal of one panel connects to the negative terminal of the next, and so on, creating a single circuit. This provides the boost needed to meet the unit's 90 to 380 volt requirement to operate. Think of it like linking batteries end-to-end to increase power. The resulting 1400 watt setup runs the unit efficiently during the day with no inverter or battery needed. Separately, 6 370 watt panels charge our 300 amp hour battery bank, which is paired with a 4,000 watt inverter to power the unit at night or on cloudy days.
Completely off-grid and the luxuries of AC.
We've been running this for 3 days now, and it's been great. It keeps our camper nice and cool during the day, and we even bump up the heat a little bit on these chilly mornings we've been having here in Central Florida. The remote's really handy. We can switch between heat mode, cool mode, dehumidifier, fan. The little green symbol here is telling us that we're now in hybrid mode. It's running completely off solar panels here in the middle of the day in the Florida Wildlife Corridor.
The EG4 hybrid mini split is perfect for off-grid living. It's efficient, versatile, and easy to install. Keeps us comfortable in Florida's crazy weather. Whether you're in a camper, cabin, or home, this unit delivers eco-friendly climate control. If you're looking to go off-grid or just save on energy bills, check out the links in our description for deals on the unit. Drop a comment with your off-grid setup or questions. Hit that like button and subscribe for more eco-friendly adventures.